So, this is day 6 of grinding, and today I am going to talk about artificial intelligence or AI. So, AI is a really good tool. It came during the COVID or after the COVID era, let us say around 2021 to 2022. When it first came, like, it was a very small tool. Everybody thought that it is going to do nothing. So actually, they released the model of Sora model, that is to create some videos. So their generated videos was literally slop, and people thought that AI is going to do nothing because it cannot even generate a proper video. So then eventually what happened was, uh, investors saw the capability of the AI. And what happened during 2024 and 2025 was a lot of AI companies got investments from a lot of investors. So this created huge opportunities for AI startups, and even the companies were doing startups. Even though they were not producing anything, investors were ready if you have something called as something AI in your product. So everything was happening like this. So then what happened eventually is that in 2026, what happened, we got to know that the OpenAI was in loss. Even though its valuation was around $500 billion, it was in the loss of 20 billion. So it was not making the money, but it was having valuation around $500 billion. So what's actually happening in this AI is, so they are basically making to consume this AI product regularly, and one day it will become our necessity. So, for example, in India, we can take the example of Jio. What Jio did is they firstly introduced free plans, and they made everybody to addicted to their platforms. Everybody took Jio, and also their Jio Hotstar. When Jio Hotstar got released, they made it free to everyone. So Jio Cinema, when they were streaming IPL on Jio Cinema, even though you were an Airtel user, you could watch Jio Cinema, and you were addicted to it. So this is the basic model of AI. So basically, they will make you addicted to the platform, and once you get addicted, it will become your necessity. And so you can see then what the Geo people did is they introduced plan. So they after it is becoming your necessity, they went to their plan, and they included in certain plans only. In the Geo Hotstar, if you want Geo Hotstar and if you want to see IPL matches, you have to buy their plan. So that is what is their agenda. So this is the same model is applied to AI. So nowadays everybody are using AI extensively, we can say. So what's happening here is that we use AI tool every day. Companies are using AI tools, but the problem here is that it is creating a circular economy. So what's happening is that, so what is circular economy here is that the Sam Altman is the CEO of OpenAI. He was promoting AI, and he was saying artificial super intelligence will come, and it will it will eradicate a lot of jobs, and AGI will come, all of these things in 2024 and 2025. So but what happened was nothing. Yeah, AGI did not come yet, and he was saying everybody will get universal basic human income, that you will get some income even though if you don't work. So what eventually happened is, how is it creating a circular economy? So basically, Sam Altman is the CEO of OpenAI. He's promoting AI to use AI. So then the Nvidia CEO of Nvidia comes and he also says use AI, and Nvidia is investing in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is taking the chips and data storage from Nvidia to train their model. So it is basically Nvidia is investing in OpenAI, and OpenAI is again purchasing the chips or the transformers from Nvidia. So it is basically when the outsider investors invest in OpenAI, it is indirectly increasing the value of Nvidia. So this is basically a circular economy. Here Microsoft also play a role. So when Microsoft occupied OpenAI, some shares it purchased. So it did not purchase for free. What it did was, we are going to purchase OpenAI, and OpenAI is going to use our data centers. So our cloud platforms to store their data. So it is basically, just exchanging what they are doing. So this circular economy was exposed in 2026 recently. So what eventually might happen is that this bubble of AI would burst, just like dot com bubble. So what will happen when people get addicted, and people might pay, but most of the people would not pay for this. So that the money, the investor will pour money into these companies, these AI companies, and AI companies are giving freely. But one day they have to get some money back from the customers. So that is very hard to get from the customer, because customer is not going to pay. That's why they are giving a lot of free stuffs. So they are making us to addict to this AI, and then eventually we will pay, and it might happen. But most of the companies are ditching AI, and they are getting humans, because AI is consuming a lot of data, a lot of resources, and it is expensive for those as compared to human labor. So that is all for today. Thank you.